G'day guys, Greg here. Ooh. Well, I'm just pulling into Red Rooster because they got a brand new $5 lunchtime box out. I can't wait to see what's inside this one. So let's go get it! Oh yeah! Alright, well here it is. The $5 crunch box this is. Now it does have some serious weight about it. I got the scales. Let's see how much it actually weighs. 430 odd grams. Crikey, struthaninnies. That's about the weight of two trendy $15 hamburgers from one of those trendy $15 hamburger shops. Anyway, let's see what we get inside. Oh yeah! Oh my gosh! I can't see anything. Oh wow! It's quite a box. Alright. What on earth is going on here? I have got 1, 2, 3 bits of chicken. And some chips. What? I suppose I got some splaining to do. Now, when I went in there and ordered it, they said there was an 8-minute wait on the chicken. I said, yeah, that's fine. They then offered me a free drink while I waited, which I declined. And so I had to wait 8 minutes for this. So out of their generosity of me having to wait 8 minutes, it looks like they gave me a free piece of chicken. Oh, yes! Yes! I love waiting! Even though I hate it. Now, I could have also got some hot sauce on this for an extra $1 as well as another drink for $2.50. And, mate, they still got the try our hot honey chicken in their specials for $2.50 a piece, maximum 2 pieces. So I nearly was so tempted to get that because that hot honey fried chicken is awesome. But anyway, there's a $5 crunch box. Mate! Now, I must say these chips, they're not looking as awesome as Red Rooster chips normally look. They're looking a little bit, how's your father? Especially that one there. How is your father, by the way? Actually, still doesn't taste too bad. The rest, a bit soggy. Could have been crunchier, could have been more seasoned, could have been better tasting. But it's still going to give me heartburn. Right, now let's check this chicken out. Oh, look at the size of this one. Oh, mate. Now, I have been showing a lot more appreciation for Red Rooster's bland fried chicken. It's sort of like a Popeyes sort of rip-off one, but from my memory, it tastes all right. Yeah. It does taste all right. This leg looks pretty good. Almost as good as my legs. Oh, man. Actually, the chicken inside this is super juicy, but for some reason this one is really salty. Almost too salty. That just means it'll take me longer to eat it, and I'll be savouring every bite. Anyway, we've seen the box. You're supposed to only get 2 pieces of chicken, but I got 3. So, I wonder what score I'm going to give it out of 10. Well, value-wise, 2 bits of chicken and some chips for $5. Mate, what a bargain. And the fact that I got 3 bits of chicken, you ripper! Today's flavour-wise, though, mate, the chips are a little bit soggy. The inside of the chicken was a little bit salty, but the outside was pretty good. And, mate, all round, it's a pretty good feed for $5 nowadays, let's face it. So for my all over value, all over flavour, all over taste, all over everything score, for the $5 crunch box, I'm not sure if it's supposed to have 2 or 3 pieces of chicken now, but anyway, I reckon it deserves a Oh, mate, that's salty. Well, I was going to give it a 10 out of 10, but there's something wrong with this piece of chicken. It's so salty. And those chips were soggy. Make it a 9.9 out of 10. Just when you thought $5 lunches were impossible, Red Rooster came out and showed us that they're not. So my recommendation, mate, whip on down to Red Rooster while you still can and get the 2/3 piece chicken box with some chips and give it a crack. Anyway, that's all today. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time I eat some Red Rooster. I hope it's soon. See ya.
Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen.